Bonjour, this is Julien, the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce this French cooking term, meaning under vacuum. We're going to be looking at how to pronounce all of the top French cooking terms as well, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So, in English, this is usually said as sous vide, sous vide. Now, it is a little bit curious because yes, the S in French to sous is silent, so we say sous indeed, and that means under. Now, vide is how we say it in French, meaning vacuum. So the DE at the end is not silent at all. So in French it is said as sous vide, sous vide. You do want to pronounce the D there. Sous vide is way better, way more correct than just sous vide. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce many more interesting French cooking terms. All of them here. I'll see you there to learn more. Merci. Au revoir.